Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of chapter triangles class 9th of CBSE curriculum. In this video I am going to give the content of triangles, whatever the topics, the subtopics are that we are going to discuss in the chapter triangles. I mentioned all these. So first topic is what is polygon, second is triangle, and third is classification of triangles. Under this it was classified into two types, that is based on sides and based on angles. And again this based on sides is classified into three types, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles and scalar. And based on angles it divided into three types, that is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Then fourth topic is what is congruence and what is similar figures. Then we go for the activity. Then fifth is conditions or criteria for the congruence of triangles, that is first one is SAS, that is side angle side axiom or property. Then 5.2 is SSS, that is side 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 property, and ASA, next is AAS, that is angle angle side, and last is 5.5 is RAS, that is right angle side. And after that we will solve some sums or examples based on the criteria of congruency. Then corresponding parts of congruent triangles, this is the one of the important topic guys in triangles topic. Then after that we will deal with the examples based on CPCT. This one we can mention as short form as CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent sides, congruent triangles. Then we go to inequalities of triangles. Then last one is option exercise. So these are the topics left out in the chapter triangles. So in the next video we'll going to discuss in detail of each category. So I hope you understand this content. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you for watching.